Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all? Am I audible?
Alaikum salam.
Am I audible to everyone?
Alhamdulillah. Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, sir.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Student, yesterday we have discussed about story-based subtraction. Okay, how to solve a story-based subtraction. Okay, so I told you some clues by which we can understand that we need to do subtraction in that particular question. So what are they? What are the clues? Given away, okay, decreased by, less than, taken away, remaining, difference between, left, balance, how many less, how many more. If you find these type of clues in the question, then you need to be you need to do subtraction in that particular question. Okay, so student, yesterday I gave you 3 questions to do. Most of you that have done wrong in that question. Okay, so first one I have already explained yesterday. Now today I will explain B and C part. Okay, first I will explain you B part and C part, then we will do exercise 3.5. okay, now I'm sharing my screen, whiteboard. So is it visible to everyone, whiteboard? Yes, students, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Student,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are.
okay, very good. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so what was the second question which I gave you yesterday? So there are 11 boats. Okay, out at sea. Out at sea. 7 are red. 7 are red in color. 7 are red in color. How many are not red? How many are not red? So let's see the solution of this. So there are 11 boats out at sea. Okay, total 11 boats are there, and out of 11, 7 are red in color. So how many are not red? Okay, so we will subtract 7 red color boats from 11 boats. Okay, then we'll get the boats which are not red. Okay, so first of all we will write the statement of the bigger number. Okay, number of boats. Total number of boats are 11. Okay, then 7 are red in color. Seven are red out of 12, out of 11. Okay, so we will write here number of red boats. So number of red boats is equals to 7. So how many are not red? Okay, so we will take out red boats from total number of boats, then we will get the boats which are not red. Okay, then we will subtract 7 from 11. So number of boats not red. So 11 minus 7, we will put 7 in at one's place. Okay, so now 11 minus 7 is equals to 4. Okay, how will subtract it? The ones at one's place 7 is there. Okay, we can't subtract 7 from 1, so we'll borrow 1 from the tens place digit. Okay, so here 1 is already here. Okay, and when we take 1 from this side, so it will become 11. Okay, and now here 0 will left only. Okay, so 11 minus 7 is 4. So 4 boats are not red. 4 boats are not red. Understood, students? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Which book and which page?
Beta, just
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, which book and which page?
wait, I will tell you. First look at this one. Okay, B part we have done. Now let's do part C. Parts question C was, there are 35 cats. There are 35 cats, and student, don't write this. We have already done this one. Okay, yesterday. Just listen and look carefully. So, and 23 dogs. Okay, so how many more cats than dogs? How many more cats than dog? Okay, so let's see the solution of this. So total cats 35. Okay, 35 cats are there and 23 dogs. So how many more cats than dogs? So student, this is 35 is greater number, greater than 23. It means these cats are more than dog, but we need to tell how many more are there, how many more cats are there. Okay, we know cats are more here, 35, and the dog is 23. We know that 35 is bigger than 23, but we have to tell how much bigger it is. Okay, how many more cats than dog? So first of all we will write the statement. Number of cats 35. Okay, number of dogs, how many dogs are there? 23. Okay, so how many more cats are there? I told you in the clue that when we need to find out how many more, how many less, then we need to perform subtraction. Okay, when we have to find out how much more or less something is, then we need to perform subtraction. Okay, so to find out how many more cats are there, we will do subtraction here. Okay, So let's subtract it. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay. So we can write 12 more cats than dogs. I hope you all have understood this. Yes, students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone now take out your book and open page number 43. So we are going to start exercise 3.5. Okay. So everyone take out your books and notebooks also. Yes, Tulu Noor. Tulu Noor, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, do you want to ask something?
No, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So everyone, have you opened the book? Yes, everyone tell.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Number line.
43.
Beta, take out number line book, maths number line book. Open page number 43. Exercise 3.5 is there. Okay. So we are going to start exercise 3.5. Huma, एक Huma. So student, question number 1 is, Teachers Day is coming up. The children of class 2 need to make 65 cards for their teachers. So let me write the question. Okay, student, I am not writing the question. Okay, I will write solution directly. Okay, of this. So in question number 1, Teachers Day is coming up. The children of class 2 need to make 65 cards for their teachers. How many cards children need to make for their class teachers? Yes, students. How many total cards?
52.
Yes.
Sir, 42 cards.
No, beta.
Sir,
Why 42? I'm asking total cards they need to make. How many total cards they need to make for their teachers? 65 cards. Okay, so 65 cards they need to make for their teachers. Okay, so they have finished making 42 cards so far. So 42 cards they have already made. So how many cards are left to be made? How many cards are left to be made? So here left one we have to tell. Okay, left is written here in question. It means we have to perform subtraction here. Okay, when we need to find out the left one, we need to do subtraction. Okay, so first we will write total number of cards. Okay, total number of cards. How many? 65 cards. Okay, they need to make 65 cards for their teachers. So far how many they have made? 42 cards. Number of cards they have made. How many? 42 cards they have already made. So how many cards are left to be made? So to find out left one, we need to do subtraction here. Okay, so we will write here number of cards left. Number of cards left. Number of cards left equals to, we will subtract 42 from 65. Okay, so we always write bigger number up. Okay, so now we can subtract it. 5 minus 2, so 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Okay, and now tens we will subtract. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Okay, so total 23 cards are left to be made. So we can write this statement here. So 23 cards are left to be made. Got it? Yes, understood everyone?
Yes, sir. I have understood. Yes, sir. I have understood. Yes, sir. I have understood.
Mashallah, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, so now you have to do part B on the next page, page number 44. Do part B. Yes, student, after completing this, you can write the answer in the chat box. Okay, I will check your answers in chat box. Student, after doing this part B, you can write your answer in chat box. I will see there. Okay, yes, Qudsiya.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
if you have to do in the notebook, so why in book column are written?
Beta, you have to take out notebook also. I told you na to take out books and notebook. Okay, space is not there here, so you have to solve in notebook. Okay, Student, write exercise also, exercise 3.5 on the top. Okay, write today's date, then start doing your work. Okay. And you can leave the space for question 1. Question 1 I have told you, so you have to do by yourself also. Question 1, leave the space for question 1, then start question B. Yes, Ammar Ahmed. Ammar Ahmed, unmute your mic. Ammar Ahmed. Sayyida Amina Ashraf.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, do you want to ask something?
No, sir.
Okay, do it quickly. And write. Arham Naeem Khan has given correct answer. Sara Fatima also. So student, write your answer in chat box quickly. Yes, student, you have to write questions also in your notebook. Okay. Have you done, students? You are not writing answers in chat box. Yes, tell me. Have you done part
Yes,
B?
sir.
Yes, what is the answer?
Sir, which book?
Beta, math number line book is going on. So why are you asking? You have to solve in notebook, Hamza. So tell me what is the answer of part B?
94.
Answer of part B.
94.
Why beta 94?
57. Or 12. 92. मामू ने लिखा 57.
Yes, Sam is giving correct.
23. 27. Sir, 90. 87. Sir, 83.
Somebody is saying 83, somebody is saying 94, somebody is saying 37. So let's check. Okay, I'm telling you. So question yes, part B. A toy aeroplane cost 94 rupees. Okay, a toy aeroplane is there, which is the cost of aeroplane toy is 94 rupees. Okay, and a toy racing car which costs 67 rupees. Okay, so which toy cost more and by how much? So tell me which toy costs more. Yes, student, tell me which one is.
Aeroplane and it got 24 from G.
Yes, the cost of aeroplane is more than cost of racing car. Okay, so which toy costs more and by how much, and you have to tell by how much the cost is more. Okay, so first we will write, first we have to show which one, because two question is there, which toy costs more and by how much. So two question are asking here. Okay, so first we have to tell the name of object which costs more. Okay, so aeroplanes cost more, so we will write so 94 is greater than 94 rupees greater than 67 rupees. That's why the cost of aeroplane is more. Okay, this is the answer of part 1, which toy cost more. Okay, so cost of aeroplane is more. Now the second question is in this question, by how much. Now we have to tell by how much cost. So number of, sorry, so cost is given now, we will not write number. Okay, so we'll write cost of, if cost is given so we will write cost. Okay, if numbers are given then we will write number. So cost of aeroplane, cost of toy aeroplane, cost of toy aeroplane is 94 rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. Okay students, $94. Now cost of toy racing car, toy car you can write. How much? 67. Okay, so the cost of aeroplane is more. Okay, so how much, by how much it is more? So I told you that when we need to find out how much more something is, then we need to do subtraction. Okay, so we will subtract 14 minus, we will take 1 from this side. So student, we can't subtract 7 from 4, so we'll take 7 is greater than 4, so we can't subtract 7 from 4. Okay, we will borrow 1 from this side. Okay, it is 4, and when we take 1 here, it will become 14. It will become 14. And it will become 8. Okay, so 14 minus 7 is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay, 8 minus 6 is 2. So the cost of toy car is, toy aeroplane is 27 rupees more than this is 20. So cost of aeroplane is 27 rupees more, 27 rupees more than toy car. Okay, so like this you have to do. Understood students? Now you have to do part C and D and share on WhatsApp. Yes student, understood this question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now student, do part C and D in your notebook. Okay, and then share on WhatsApp. Now Zoom class is over, we will continue this class on WhatsApp. Okay.